In this video, I will be showing you how to differentiate. I'm going to apply the quotient rule. So here on screen we have two functions or two equations. So I'm going to derive these two functions applying the quotient rule. Okay, let's start with this one. So here I'm just going to apply the quotient rule. So the first step here, I'm going to take this function one minus x squared, then close the bracket, then square. I'm going to square this function, then after I'm going to derive this one. So here is 3x then x to the power 2, and then I'm gonna then multiply by 1 minus x squared, then close the bracket. This one is a division sign, this one, and then I'm going to put minus, then I'm going to differentiate this function. The derivative of a constant is equal to 0. The derivative of x squared is going to be 2 x to the power 1 to x to the power 1. Then I'm going to multiply the derivative of this function with this by this function, then it's x to the power 3 . Okay, then here let's open these brackets by multiplying. So it's 3x squared times 1, answer is going to be 3x squared, 3x squared times minus x squared, answer is going to be minus 3x to the power 4, 3x to the power 4, 3x to the power 4. Then here we're going to multiply, it's going to be minus 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 4, all divided by 1 minus x squared, all in brackets, to the power 2. Then here we have like terms, then let's add these two like terms. It's 3x squared, 3x squared. Here we have like terms minus 5x to the power 4, minus 5x to the power 4, all divided by 1 minus x squared inside the brackets, then to the power 2, then to the power 2, and then let me write the final answer. The sign for a derivative is equals to 3x squared minus 5 x to the power 4 . For this one, you can just simplify or leave it as it is. Just write here as 1 minus x squared minus x to the power 2, x to the power 2, then close the bracket. This one is a division sign, so this one is the final answer. Otherwise, you can just leave it here. Yeah, so this one is the final answer. This side is the derivative. Otherwise, you can just leave it here. There's no problem. Okay, let's do number 2. Okay, for number 2, first step, we're going to take the denominator. We're just going to square the denominator. So it's 2 plus x or root x, then inside the brackets all to the power 2. Then we're going to differentiate the numerator. Then the derivative of the numerator is 2. Then 2 times this function, which is 2 plus root x then minus then we're going to find the derivative of this function. The derivative of a constant is equals to 0. The derivative of root x is equals to half to the power minus 1 over 2, and minus 1 over 2, then multiply by this function, which is 2x, Okay, then let's just try to simplify our answer. Let's open this bracket by multiplying everything inside the brackets by 2. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 2 times root x is equals to 2 root x. 2 root x. Then here we have minus here. Then we're just going to multiply half times 2, answer is equals to 1. And half plus 1, answer is going to be x to the power 1 over 2, and all divided by 2 plus root x. Everything inside the brackets is to the power 2. Okay. Then now let's minus here, because okay, here we have like terms, because x to the power 1 over 2 is the same as root x. is the same as root x. So here we have like terms. Yeah. Let me just write it here. Is 2 root x, 2 root x, then minus by root x. This is root x, then all divided by 2 plus then plus root x all to the power 2, all to the power 2. And here let's minus these two like terms. We have like terms here. Let me write 4, then 2 root x minus root x, answer is going to be minus root x, minus root x. Then here we have 2 plus root x all to the power 2, all to the power 2. So this one is the final answer.